Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What you got there, Cornbread?
We don't know yet.
Raise that camera up a little bit. Try to get it all in there.
Y'all close this?
No, not with that.
Alright, let's open.
We got sent a stand to a review on. Y'all know I don't hunt out deer stands, Cornbread does, so I got him over here. Y'all been asking where the hell he's at anyway. It's by XOP-Xtreme Outdoor Products. I'll link it in the description where you can go get it too. I should have a video up on their website before long too. Alright, we've been opening it up. Got a full body harness comes with it. A cushioned seat, that ought to keep Cornbread comfortable.
Ratchet strap.
Decent ratchet strap, some kind of mountain bracket, and a DVD. You know we don't need no instructions.
And it's light.
And Cornbread said it is feather light.
Yeah.
You can backpack it in, no problem.
Glad we ought to watch the DVD.
I don't even have a DVD player. We got instructions.
Hey, look, it's got a table on it.
Hey, look, we got instructions. We may have to read them though.
If all else fails, read the instructions. I'm glad I brought some tools.
But you done got a ring. How you gonna do it? Hold back and reverse and get it with the ring. Not all three is perfectly straight.
Oh, hey. That's all I need.
Well, yeah, that's all. You don't need, what size wrench was that you used, Cornbread?
7/16.
You need 2 7/16 to tighten her up. That's all you need. Everybody but Big John's got that. Both these strapped to something. We finna hang it on tree and see what we think about it. Right now it looks good. Light. Couldn't ask for one being lighter.
No. I like to pack it in. Whether it be a climbing stand.
I tried. That cushion's made where you can take it off and carry it out with you and lay the stand. Because if you leave that up there very long, the squirrels are going to eat it. Alright, we're going to find a tree suitable to put it on. We're just going to be at ground level because we didn't get the climbing sticks yet. That's next. Alright, got a loop and a loop. Got this right here. I hope y'all can see this. We're working without a cameraman today. You hook that on, just like Cornbread did right there, and just whoop it down to the tree.
We're gonna whoop it to a tree.
We can go find us a tree. We'll be back and we'll tell you what we think about it. We're gonna film Cornbread's new toy. He's been asking me.
I love it. Friskers. Love it.
Y'all go check it out too. Chop that big ass vine.
I'm getting tall enough.
We'll have that Fisker's link in the description too. So it came off Amazon too.
Love it.
Now we can try to hang this thing.
Might be a little difficult up in the air.
Probably don't have to go longer with it.
They're gonna put one way and the other one another way.
Yeah, we're a torque against each other.
Maybe.
It's probably a good idea, even if they don't tell you that in the instructions.
What instructions?
Well, hey, the instructions that came with it, you gotta watch the DVD. I don't have a DVD player. I could put it in my computer if I wanted to, but. And that right there is about as high as I'd ever get in it to hunt out of it. See how comfortable it is, Cornbread. You on a chair?
Well, I won't hit the ground but once.
Hey, you need that safety harness? Locking in there good, or you need to get it tighter? Pretty sturdy?
Pretty sturdy.
Wait a minute, let me get you in front. Pretty sturdy?
Pretty sturdy.
Alright.
That's 220.
220. It says it'll hold up to 350. So realistically, I could get up in it, but
I like it.
I don't see that happening.
Yeah.
Would you hunt out of it?
I'm going to hunt out of
Would you recommend it for people to hunt out of?
Yeah.
100%.
100%.
Comfortable.
And sturdy.
Easy to put up.
And comfortable. Believe it or not, that little old cushion seat's comfortable.
Need a cushion behind you, but.
No.
Well, yeah, you'll have a jacket on during rifle season, you know. What's Cornbread?
Easy to stand up in.
Cornbread bow hunts on, crossbow hunts only.
I like it.
Plenty of room?
Plenty of feet room.
Plenty of room. That's all we need to know.
It ain't wanting to slide, so. Yeah, I like it.
Could you hang it by yourself?
Yeah.
As long as you had sticks coming up where you were close to where you wanted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I believe we'll be all right.
They sell sticks for it too. I'll link them in the description. We're gonna try to get them send us a couple sets of them.
I like it.
Maybe another one of these and do a giveaway.
Easy to turn around here.
There you go.
And the boat.
Cornbread approved, right?
Cornbread approved.
Cornbread approved. That's all that matters. And Cornbread said he'd buy one if he was looking for a lock-on, which
I like it because the platform's long.
he don't have to buy one because I'm not going to use it. Say I may try to get them give me one to do a giveaway
Only
with.
thing that's missing is me calling you on the cell phone saying BBD.
I thought he was going to say a beer holder, but anyway.
No, I quit drinking.
He quit drinking. That's why we ain't seen him. He ain't drinking no more. That's the reason. That and we ain't had no damn beaver job.
That's a good thing.
Alright, y'all. I hope y'all seen something you liked in this video. It's something a little different than I've been doing. It's not fishing. I know y'all getting tired of fishing every day. By the time y'all seen this one, y'all done seen the rescue video. I hadn't been fishing a day or two since I had to get rescued. It just hadn't went.
Rescued?
Yeah, you gotta watch the video now.
I ain't seen it yet.
Helicopters involved and everything.
Really?
Yeah, rescued.